Guys, I'm Michael Pear. I'm the owner and operator of Pear Mechanical LLC. Today I am setting all the copper lines, the line sets into the mini split outdoor unit. So that is going to be the control center of the HVAC in this house. Actually, this is the first time. I've never seen any structure like this in my life, and I've been doing this for about 10 years. The install friendly application is super simple with the holes in the walls, and I wish all buildings were just like this. I'd rather do this than bore holes in concrete, wood, hardy plank, any type of siding. In some basement applications, you have to go through floor joists if you have to, instead of going under it because you want to have the sheetrock up against the floor joist. So with this, you literally, the holes are already there, you just run straight through them. When I did the walkthrough, the easiest application would be a mini split system. So you have one head in the indoor unit in any room, and then you set your outdoor unit wherever you would like, run copper lines to. It's the easiest way, and it's more efficient because of you just set the thermostat to whichever head you have, or you set it to 60. It will read the temperature outside and push as much airflow into the room as possible to satisfy that area.